Hey, how you doing? My name is Pedro Ruiz, and this is another episode of How to Be Famous or How to Add More Views to YouTube. And I like to say thanks to all my coworkers and all the people that been spreading my videos around. And I get these weird looks at work and everything. They be like, I seen your video, be like, yes, you know. Everybody don't want to add me as a friend, but they probably watch the video and spread the word. But I like to say thanks and everything. But there's more videos to come and everything, so check out my channel or YouTube page, and just give me a comment below and ask and give me a hint how to add my music or my videos to iTunes and stuff like that, so I can spread the video even more. If you get any pointers, so I just like to say my name is Pedro Ruiz, and just have a blessed day today.